Okay, so we're given the center is 2, 1. There's a vertex at 2, 6. Okay, well I know that the vertices are evenly spaced around the center, so if there's a vertex 5 units above the center, there's also a vertex 5 units below. Okay, I'm also given there's a focus at 2, 5, 4 units above, so there's another focus 4 units below. Okay, so well, let me just sketch it over here. So we've got our center, we've got a vertex. Okay, so I know that the distance between center and vertex is 5 units, and that represents the A value. So then I also know that there's a focus four units above, and the distance from the center to the focus represents the C value, so that's 4. Okay, so now to find the B value, I use the ellipse equation c squared equals a squared minus b squared. Okay, I know it's minus because the focus is not as far as the vertex, so I should not go as far. Okay, so add the b squared over, subtract 16 from both sides. B squared is 9, meaning that b is 3. Okay, so from the center, I go 3 units left and right to find the co-vertices. Okay, so that's enough to graph. Okay, major axis, 5 up, 5 down is 10 total. Minor axis, 3 left, 3 right is 6 total. And for the equation, so x minus h, so x minus 2 squared over, so the horizontal direction is 3 in each direction, which came from b squared equals 9, plus y minus k squared, so y minus y minus 1 over, okay, so a was 5, so a squared was 25, and then equals 1. Okay, so this time we're given an equation. So first let's rearrange everything, get the x's together, get the y's together, move the constant over. Okay, so now we need to factor out, and I'll leave space to complete the square. So positive 8, half of that is positive 4. So if I did 4 squared, that means I added 16. Okay, but then 16 times 8 is 144. No, it's not. It's 128. Okay, so now complete the y's. So half of negative 4 is negative 2. So negative 2 squared means I gotta squeeze up plus 4 in here. And then 9 times 4 means plus 36. Okay, so combining the right side. get 72. And then for the ellipse, I want the constant to be a 1, so I'll divide both sides by 72. Okay, so my center, h comma k, -4 comma 2. Okay, so -4 comma 2. Okay, so vertices, what direction does this ellipse go? The x's denominator is bigger than the y's denominator, so left and right. So if a squared is 9, then a is 3. So I go 3 units left and right. Okay, covertices come from the b squared. So if b squared equals 8, then b equals radical 8, which is 2 radical 2, which is about 2.8. Okay, so you go a little less than 3 units up and down. Okay, so length of major axis, we went 3 left, 3 right, that's 6 total. Length of minor axis, we went 2 radical 2 up, 2 radical 2 down, that's 4 radical 2. And to get the foci, we'll use the equation that c squared equals a squared minus b squared. A squared is 9, b squared is 8. So then 9 minus 8 is simply 1. C squared equals 1, meaning c is also 1. Okay, so from the center, I go left 1 unit to hit a focus. And I also go right 1 unit to hit a focus.